Good afternoon. Today we are doing lesson 64. Oh, my pen just disappeared. Lesson 64. And we're going to just call it decimals and money. Your book's going to give it a much longer name, but basically what we're doing is we're just introducing decimals by looking at money. You're familiar with money, and so as you learn about decimals, it's easy to learn something new by using something you already know about. So you already know about money, so now we're going to take a look and see how decimals are related to money. Now, the first thing I want to do is I want you to draw on your paper $123.56. Now, you know from this, and you don't have to write in all these values, you know that this is the hundreds place, this is the tens place, and this is the ones place. So again, the 100s, the tens, and the ones. You're familiar with that. Now you are familiar with the 56 because you're familiar with 56 cents. But what you have to understand, and I think if you again think of it as money, then that would make it a little easier for you to see this, is this is actually the tenths place. Now if you think about it, it's the dimes. There would be 5 dimes or 2 quarters, which equals 5 dimes. And 1 dime is 1/10. So that's why that's going to be called the tenths place. Now if we move here, you know it's pennies. And think about how many pennies are there in a dollar. Well, here there were 10 dimes in a dollar for here. How many pennies are there in a dollar? There are 100 pennies. Give us a dollar. So this is called the hundredths place. So we have 100ths, the tens, the ones, the tenths, and the hundredths. So as we read money, we know that that's going to be dimes and that's going to be pennies for the change. But now that you can think about it being 10 dimes equals a dollar, that's the tenths place. 100 pennies equals a dollar, that's the 100ths place. So when we go down, we're actually going to be going into decimal places, hence we use the term decimals, because we don't have whole numbers anymore. This side over here are the whole numbers. Once we move to this side of the decimal, we are now working with decimal numbers. So make sure you're keeping that in your head, and this will be so easy for you because we'll add eventually more decimal places than just 2, but money is a good place to start. What I'd like to have us do today is we're going to work through the lesson practice together on the video, and then I won't have to have you do it in class tomorrow, and we'll just see if you have any additional questions. First of all, they say in this number, and they have $25.60. What is the value of the 5 in that number? What place value is it in? We will check these tomorrow. So what is place value for the 5? For letter B, your money is $54.32. What is your place value of your 5 for letter B? And letter C, they give you $12.75. What is your place value of your 5? Hint, 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 hint. You are past the decimal. You are into fractionals, into decimal numbers. And letter D, if we have $21.50, what is your place value? So all of those, you should be able to tell me the place value of the 5. We will check those tomorrow. Now we're going to jump E and F, and we will jump over E and do those together tomorrow. But we're going to take a look at F. And here's the question. I have $12.63. Is it closer to $12.60? Or is it closer to $12.70? So you're going to write one of these numbers. Which one is it closer to? If I have $12.63, is it closer to $12.60 or $12.70? These are pretty easy. I hope you're getting them right. We'll jump right to G, and I'm going to do it at the top. You should go right down below to do it. I just don't want to start a whole screen for one problem. If we have $6.08, $6.08, is it closer to $6 or $6.10? If we have $6.08, is it closer to $6 or closer to $6.10? Now, that is today's lesson and today's lesson practice. I hope that was easy for you, and just thinking through money and remembering that it's whole numbers. Once we cross that decimal, it goes into decimal numbers, which are fractional or parts of the whole number or decimals of a whole number. We will check these tomorrow in class, A, B, C, D, F, and G. Hope you have a wonderful evening.